Yes, sir. So we back in the cut. You already know, man. It's your boy Underdog Booker, the one and only most doubted. And we back in the cut. I ain't gonna say nothing less, man. Just smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and you already know it's about to go down. But we at Cars and Coffee right now. You already know. Y'all see this GTR, bro? I know y'all see this bad boy right here. Check out the wheels on that thing. Ain't gonna lie. This a whole GTR lineup, bro. This mud is crazy. I like this one. At all, I like this one, bro. GTR sick, bro. Big sick. Ooh, carbon fiber on the hood on this one. They got some heat here, y'all. They got some big heat here. Oh snap, look at this right here, y'all. That must sit.
That's why I come to meets like this. You meet genuine people.
Exactly, exactly. This mud crazy though. What you think about this mud? No cap. This shit crazy. I ain't gonna lie, y'all.
I can see you with something like that.
Oh yeah. Bad boy crazy, man. They got the Viper here, and they got the C8. Look at this Viper, y'all. Carbon fiber. What y'all think about this? Ooh, carbon fiber on the wing too. Bro, the GTR is that GTR is sick, y'all. Big GTR. Oh man, this one crazy too right here. So tell me about this. Old school right here, y'all. Old school crazy. Ooh. This mud's sick right here. Carbon fiber on the hood. Hey, this mud go crazy. That mud big crazy. Crazy, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That mug crazy. big cat. What's up, bro? What's good? Back at it again, huh? I know it's hot as fuck. Oh, we got this BMW. For sale for $35K. There y'all go. Get that plate. And they pulling out. It is hot as hell today, y'all. So y'all, I met me a new friend today too. She is beautiful.
Thank you.
Tell me your name.
I'm Isabel.
Isabel.
Yes,
Isabel.
sir.
She like cars too, y'all. So she a car girl. You feel me? So out of ordinary, what is your favorite car?
I don't have a favorite, but I do like Type R's, Honda Civic Type R's.
Okay.
A little basic, but
She got a little taste. She got some taste. That Shelby right here coming down. Okay. See, I don't even like Mustangs, y'all, but the only thing I like out of Mustangs is only the Shelbys. So that's kind of tough. I am sweating bricks right now. I'm not lying to y'all. I'm sweating bricks. She about to go hit the gym. The big Benz with the tail. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Them AMGs is growing on me though. The AMGs is big growing on me. Ooh-wee. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of pissed because right now. Okay. I'm kind of pissed because all the McLarens left, but they got the GTRs gonna roll out too. Them GTRs, bro, is crazy. What's your case say? Let me see your case. Oh, that's dope. Okay,
thank you. Appreciate it.
All right. So y'all, this is your first car meet, right?
It is. Yeah.
Okay. So look, this is her first car meet. I'm about to put her into the car game real deep. So I'm gonna tell her how Fast and Furious people are. So yeah, I'm big Fast and Furious.
Oh, me too.
Okay. I'm like her already, y'all. She is beautiful. I was really double taking because I had passed you up and I seen you and I was like,
I saw you a few times.
and I was like, you know what? Let me go back in and talk to her, bro. But I was debating if you had a boyfriend or not, so I was like, oh, if she don't got a boyfriend, boom, I'm gonna go at it. You feel me? Got the Honda Hellcat right here pulling in. Well, it's trying to turn. I don't know what the hell it's trying to do. No, Nissan Hellcat and Honda Hellcat. I'm dead. That's a big cat right there. That's the girl driving it. Are we gonna see the GTR? Oh, did the GTRs roll out? Yep, they did. See who GTR is. That car right there. That car crazy, y'all. I'm trying to see that mud pull out though. He's on the phone like, oh my god, are you serious? Oh man. He like, oh my god, are you serious, dude? That boy FaceTiming. That boy couldn't miss it. He just said, fuck it, Johnny, you gonna FaceTime it while I'm at the meet. Oh my gosh, bro. What's good, bro?
You been here the whole time?
I just got here like 40 minutes ago.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, 40 minutes. It's been a fat ass minute.
That's crazy, bro.
Dude, you should have got here when it was first jumping, bro.
I was tired from last night, bro. I was like, man.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Bro, last night was crazy,
How
bro.
long did it go to?
Bro, we was there all the way to 1 o'clock in the morning. Bro, this shit was a movie, bro.
Yeah, I probably should have came down instead of played poker.
But this is my friend right here.
Hi, Isabel.
Nice to meet you. This is my girlfriend, Gabby.
Nice to meet you. I'm Isabel.
Yeah, but bro,
there was. You saw the Formula 1 car, right?
Huh?
You saw the Formula 1 car?
No. Oh, that little race car thing? Hell yeah, I see it. Okay. Oh, that thing ain't 100% real. 100%.
I don't know Formula 1 cars.
They didn't want me to touch it, bro. That's how crazy it was.
They wanted you to touch it?
They didn't even want me to touch it.
Some dumbass walked up to it and just goes. Just so unsolicitedly.
Oh my God, look at that GTR. Okay, bro, that's what everybody coming out
There
for.
was hundreds of them.
Bro, what?
You should have been here, bro. There was McLarens out the ass, a whole section with Lamborghinis. I mean,
I'm fucking pissed. Don't tell me that. You gonna hurt my feelings, bro.
I'll tell you more. I just don't want to go in depth because I'd be pissed off if I didn't get here. I'll show you photos later. I took a ton.
Definitely.
Oh yeah, check out. I got a ZV.
Bro, that's what I'm looking at, bro. That
Saw
shit's sick.
shit?
Yeah.
Bro, it's so fucking fire, bro. Like, let's see if I can.
That shit 4K too.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, hold on. Do I know this boy? Yes, I do. What's good? Oh boy, I'll be out here putting that work, man. What's good, bro?
Good, man. Good, man. Caught some video?
Yeah, I already know. Hey, I was debating to come out because I was tired. You know, my boy. Hey, my boy be at every meet, bro. My boy be putting the work right along with me, bro. Yeah, I already know. Big H-Town screwed up. Yeah, I already know. Yes, sir. Bro?
Fucking bang, bro.
Bro, that shit was crazy, bro. And that Viper, bro. That Viper was crazy, too. Boy, okay. That's a girl in there. She trying to turn up. She definitely trying to turn up. She trying to have her little show out. Okay. That's light as hell.
Oh!
So they rolling in the race, the whatever you call it, a little super race car. It's a really, I don't know what it is, but it's a super race car. They got that little Red Bull tank. That's big crazy, dog. She down there got.
Leave me alone.
I'm dead. Oh, she got the inserts on the inside and shit. Okay. She got a little